In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off shipping on Squarespace. If you no longer want to offer shipping for products in your Squarespace store, the process is very straightforward. We'll be navigating through the site settings and removing the shipping option directly from the selling settings area. This is useful if you're switching to digital products, local pickup, or simply no longer need shipping configured on your website. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon there. Go ahead and click it. This will open the broader configuration area for your site, where Squarespace keeps important business and store-related options. Next, in the settings menu, find and click on Selling. This section contains the controls related to commerce features on your website, including payments, checkout, and shopping. If you manage products through Squarespace Commerce, this is the area where you'll usually make changes related to how customers buy from your store. After that, click on Shipping. Here, you'll see the shipping settings that are currently active on your site. Depending on your setup, you may have one or more shipping options or rules listed. Take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct shipping configuration before deleting anything, especially if your store still sells physical items. Once you've located the shipping option you want to remove, click the three-dot menu beside it. This menu gives you additional actions for that shipping setup. When the drop-down appears, click Delete. That will remove the shipping configuration from your Squarespace store. Keep in mind that deleting shipping settings can affect checkout for physical products. If you still have physical items in your store, customers may not be able to complete purchases properly unless you replace shipping with another fulfillment method. So before making this change permanent, it's a good idea to double check your product types and overall checkout experience. And that's it. By going to Settings, then Selling, then Shipping, opening the three-dot menu, and choosing Delete, you can turn off shipping on Squarespace quickly and cleanly. If you're following along while updating your store, move carefully and review your storefront afterward to make sure everything works the way you expect. That way, you can be confident your customers are seeing the correct purchase options.